Are you grinding 9 to 5 and wondering if there's a better way to earn money? Or maybe you've heard about making money while you sleep and want in. Today, we're breaking down active income versus passive income, what they are, how they work, and most importantly, which one is better for you. Let's start with the one most people are familiar with, active income. This is money you earn by trading your time for money. Whether you're a teacher, a doctor, an Uber driver, or a freelancer, if you don't work, you don't get paid. It's reliable and can be scaled by working more hours or charging more. Examples: salary, hourly wages, commissions, consulting. Pros: predictable, immediate, stable. Cons: time-limited, not scalable without more effort. Now, let's talk about passive income. The dream, right? This is money you earn on autopilot, usually after an upfront investment of time, money, or both. Think of rental income, dividends, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or earning ad revenue from a blog or YouTube channel. The key here? You put in the work once and continue to get paid over time. Examples: rental properties, stocks, online businesses, royalties. Pros: scalable, time freedom, long-term wealth. Cons: high initial effort or capital, delayed payoff, risk. So, the million-dollar question, which one is better? The answer is, it depends on your goals and situation. Let's break it down. 1. If you need money now. Active income wins. You can start working and earn your first paycheck in days or weeks. 2. If you want long-term freedom. Passive income is your best friend. It takes time, but once it's rolling, it can keep paying you for years. Risk tolerance. Active income is more stable, whereas passive income can be uncertain. You might not earn anything in the beginning. Scalability. Passive income can scale globally with digital products or content. Active income usually scales linearly, more work, more pay. Here's the truth, you don't have to pick just one. Most financially successful people start with active income and gradually build passive streams on the side. Step 1. Build a stable active income. Get a job, freelance, or consult. Save and build a financial safety net. Step 2. Use free time to build passive assets. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Start investing in dividend stocks or real estate. Write an ebook or launch a digital product. Step 3. Reinvest and scale. Use active income to grow your passive income. Over time, aim to reduce active work hours. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. So which one is right for you? Here's a quick quiz to help you decide. 1. Do you need fast, stable income? Active. 2. Do you enjoy creating and waiting for results? Passive. 3. Are you willing to hustle now for long-term freedom? Both. 4. Want financial independence and time freedom? Passive. Still not sure? Start with active, experiment with passive, and over time, you'll find the balance that works for you. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment telling us your goal: active income, passive income, or both. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your income and freedom.